So let's get into the Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our lives that saves us time, makes us money, or just makes us have some more fun. Rachel, I'll let you jump it off.
Yes, so mine, I've got to make sure I say it right. So it's called Atlas English, and there's actually several versions of this app. And basically what it is it gives you a new vocabulary word each day. I love words. I love English. I love writing. That's like a passion of mine. I think that's fun. And so I love learning new language and new words that I don't know that I haven't known before, because I feel like it makes me a better communicator. And it's just fun to learn, in my opinion. Usually people are math people or English people. I'm very much an English person. So Atlas English is quick. I don't have to like read a whole thing or read a whole book to get my vocabulary up to speed. I can just see what the word of the day is, read the definition, click it, hear how it sounds, and move on. And so it's a quick, easy way to expand your vocabulary, to learn more in a very painless, fun way.
Shout out to Mike Proctor. He taught me something that I didn't know before. Vocabulary is the list of words that you know how to use. You can read it, you can hear it, you can understand it. Mm-hmm. Vernacular is the list of words that you use in your day-to-day life.
Yeah.
They're not always the same.
Very
I
true.
can read a word and know what it means, but I'm not going to use it in a sentence. Anyways.
But the more words that you know, the more you can incorporate into your vernacular,
yeah.
and then you can be a better communicator with people. So
exactly. My widget is something that's, again, pretty simple, but I was thinking on the way up, we came up to a different office today, how much I love this item. It's pretty cheap. I think it's $26 right now on Amazon. It's a backpack. It's just a simple black laptop backpack. It's got kind of some nice big front pockets, but it's got some separation. And the thing that I like about it the most is it's got really comfortable straps. They're wide, but they're not thick, so they don't get really sweaty. And it's just really comfortable. It's the Wenig is the brand Wenig. It's the laptop, backpack, business, travel, blah, 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 blah.
I think I have a Fanny Pack from that same brand from Amazon. It's super cheap.
It's great.
So great.
I'm really, really liking it. I was just like, I'll buy one because I couldn't find my other one. It's cheap, whatever. But I really like it, and I feel like it distributes the weight really well. So
cool.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Way podcast. We'll see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.